So I'd like to illustrate with my friend Brendan a classical way of coming into headstand. So we'll come into dolphin pose. He measures off and interlocks his finger. Now before he places his head, I'm actually going to pull up on his forearms so that he knows that he really needs to press down. That'll also give him the ability to take the inner line of the shoulder blades up and protract or puff up this part of the back of the chest. And the head comes down, and he comes into dolphin pose. Now we're not moving into this with a straight leg today. So he's going to keep his shoulder blades up and walk his feet towards his elbows. And then I'm going to have him bring one knee into his chest. He tips the pelvis up, the other knee comes up. And then I want him to squeeze his knees together. Now this is headstand right here. This is a beautiful illustration. He's got a subtle lordotic curve. The hips are stacked over the shoulders. There's no compression in the neck. This is headstand. To come from here into full headstand, I would suggest that he keeps his core engaged and keep the knees together, ankles together, and come up so slowly that every time he comes up a fraction of an inch, he's stable in his foundation, stable in his core, so that eventually and inevitably, when he comes up into the full extended headstand, he's solid, balanced, strength, flexibility, equanimity. Everything is very much in evidence. It's a beautiful thing.